This is your feeder and stock report for Wednesday, August 26th. The information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. Across the province on Tuesday, steers 900 plus $447 to $452, 8 to 900 $484 to $5, 7 to 800 $510 to $535, 6 to 700 $540 to $575, 5 to 600 $620 to $665, 4 to 500 $680 to $740. Heifers 900 plus $388 to $415, 8 to 900 $418 to $445, 7 to 800 $462 to $488, 6 to 700 $510 to $530, 5 to 600 $525 to $578. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Tuesday saw no new trade to report, but there's a good chance scatter trade will develop by this afternoon. With the U.S. Fed market under pressure, this does not bode well for prices here in Western Canada. Canadian beef retail prices rebounded in June, setting new annual highs and are just shy of the record highs set back last year. Demand for Canadian beef remains strong. Retail beef prices are 18% higher than last year. Both retail chicken and pork prices declined from May to June. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Tuesday, D1 and 2 cows $235 to $250, D3 cows $216 to $230. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought $265 to $278. In the U.S., light trade was reported in Iowa and Nebraska yesterday, with dress sales ranging from $345 to $354, $2 to $10 lower than the previous week. Live sales in the northern feeding states were at $218, steady with prices seen on Monday, and $7 lower than last week. Today, live bids at $218 and dress bids at $345 have been renewed in the north, and cattle are moving. Business in the southern feeding states has been quiet, with no bids to speak of. Looking at the grain markets, the U.S. corn market has been on a tear. The Pro Farmer Crop Tour projected corn yields at 173.2 bushels per acre, well below USDA estimates of 180.7 bushels per acre. The December corn contract is on track to set new contract highs today. National Bona cows averaged $322.69 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.08, down 29 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. August 218.82 up 72, October 211.80 up 85, December 213.42 up 130. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta Beef Producers.